Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your devices can sync. Sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud Drive. Next, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and turn on Notes so they sync. Once done, make sure you're on Wi-Fi and have enough iCloud storage %. Syncing large attachments can stall on cellular. Then open the Notes app and wait a few minutes so the cloud and local lists reconcile. This gives you the baseline for safe export. Now you'll create durable local copies. On iPhone or iPad, tap a note, choose Share, then save to Files or Export as PDF. Pick iCloud Drive or on my iPhone for local storage. On Mac, select multiple notes in Notes and use File Export as PDF to batch save. Once exported, use Mail or AirDrop to send copies to another device or cloud account for redundancy. Make sure file names finish by verifying the exported files open and contain attachments. Open one or two to confirm integrity. Then archive everything. Compress into a zip and copy to an external drive or a secondary cloud account for a second layer of protection. If you ever need to restore, import the PDFs or move files back to Notes or on my Mac/iPhone. If syncing stops, toggle Notes off in iCloud and back on, sign out of Apple ID and sign in again, and double-check iCloud storage to resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.